Are you ready to validate your Java skills and ace your foundational certification? Many candidates struggle with the nuances of Java syntax and memory management. But today, we're breaking it all down. In this video, we will cover Java Basics certification practice questions, Java Fundamentals exam prep. Boost your Java knowledge with this comprehensive practice session. This video features 30 realistic MCQ questions covering the core domains of Java Basics. In this video, we cover 30 high-quality practice questions designed to mimic the actual Java Basics certification exam. We'll dive deep into data types, control flow, OOP concepts, and exception handling. Before we start, make sure to grab a notebook and follow along. Let's see how many you can get right. Which of the following is a valid entry point method signature for a standard Java application? Option A, public static void main. Option B, public static void main, string args. Option C, public static void main, string args. Option D, public void main, string args. The correct answer is C. The standard entry point for a Java application must be declared as public static void main, string args, single quote. Public allows access from outside the class. Static allows the JVM to call the method without instantiating the class. Void means it returns no value. And string args, or string args, single quote, is required to accept command line arguments. Option A lacks the parameters. Option B uses a single string instead of an array. And option D lacks the static keyword. Which of these is not a primitive data type in Java? Option A, int. Option B, boolean. Option C, string. Option D, double. The correct answer is C. In Java, string is a class, an object reference type, rather than a primitive type. Primitives in Java include byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. Strings are handled differently by the JVM, involving the string pool, and they possess methods like length and charit, which primitives do not have. What is the result of the following code snippet? Int x equals 5, if x greater than 2, opening curly bracket, x equals x asterisk 2, else x equals x plus 2, closing curly bracket, system.out, println, x. Option A, 5, option B, 7, option C, 10, option D, 12. The correct answer is C. The variable x starts at 5. The condition, x greater than 2, evaluates to true. 5 greater than 2. Therefore, the if block executes. X equals 5 asterisk 2 results in 10. The else block is skipped. Finally, system.out, println prints the current value of x, which is 10. Which keyword is used to inherit a class in Java? Option A, implements. Option B, extends. Option C, inherits. Option D, includes. The correct answer is B. The extends keyword is used in Java to create a subclass that inherits fields and methods from a superclass. Implements is used specifically for interfaces. Inherits and includes are not valid keywords for class inheritance in Java. What is the file extension of a compiled Java class file? Option A, Java. Option B, .x. Option C, class. Option D, jar. The correct answer is C. Java source code files use the Java extension. When the Java compiler, Javac, compiles these files, it converts the code into bytecode, which is stored in files with the class extension. .jar files are archives containing multiple class files, and .x is a platform-specific executable format not natively produced by the standard Java compiler. Where are local variables stored in Java? Option A, heap memory. Option B, stack memory. Option C, class area. Option D, string pool. The correct answer is B. Local variables. Variables declared inside methods are stored in the stack memory. Each method call creates a new stack frame that holds its local variables. In contrast, objects and their instance variables are stored on the heap memory. Once the method execution completes, the stack frame is removed, and local variables are discarded. What is the output of 10% 3 in Java? Option A, 3. Option B, 3.33. Option C, 1. Option D, 0. The correct answer is C. The percent operator is the modulo remainder operator. When 10 is divided by 3, the quotient is 3, since 3 times 3 equals 9, and the remainder is 1. Therefore, 10% 3 results in 1. Which block is always executed regardless of whether an exception is thrown or caught? Option A, try. Option B, catch. Option C, finally. Option D, throw. The correct answer is C. The finally block is used in conjunction with try-catch to ensure that a specific piece of code is executed, such as closing a database connection or a file stream, regardless of whether an exception occurred or was handled. The only way a finally block doesn't execute is if the JVM exits or the thread is killed. Which loop is guaranteed to execute at least once? Option A, for loop. Option B, while loop. Option C, do while loop. Option D, enhanced for loop. The correct answer is C. A do-while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop body. This means the code inside the do block will always execute once before the condition is evaluated for the first time. For and while loops check the condition at the beginning. So if the condition is false initially, the code never runs. How do you find the number of elements in an array named arranged by? Option A, arranged by size. Option B, arranged by length. Option C, arranged by length. Option D, arranged by count. The correct answer is C. In Java, an array is an object that has a built-in property called length, not a method. Therefore, arranged by length is the correct syntax. Size is used for collection classes like ArrayList, and length is used for string objects. Which method is used to compare two strings for content equality? Option A, equals equals. Option B, equals. Option C, compare. Option D, is equal. The correct answer is B. The equals method in the string class compares the actual character sequence of two strings. The equals equals operator compares the memory addresses, references, of the objects Using == on strings can yield false even if the text is identical if they are stored in different memory locations. Which of these is used to prevent a class from being inherited? Option A, static. Option B, abstract. Option C, final. Option D, private. The correct answer is C. When a class is declared with the final keyword, it cannot be extended by any other class. This is often used for security reasons or to ensure the immutability of a class. Like the string class, abstract is the opposite, as it requires the class to be inherited to be used. Which access modifier provides the widest visibility? Option A, private. Option B, protected. Option C, public. Option D, default. The correct answer is C. Public means the member can be accessed from any other class in any package. Private is the most restrictive. Same class only. Protected allows access within the same package and by subclasses. Default, no modifier, allows access only within the same package. What is the return type of a Java constructor? Option A, void. Option B, int. Option C, the class type itself. Option D, no return type. The correct answer is D. Constructors do not have a return type, not even void. Their purpose is to initialize a newly created object. If you add a return type to a constructor, Java treats it as a regular method, not a constructor. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Java? Option A, toNd variable. Option B, _my variable. Option C, class. Option D, my variable. The correct answer is B. Java variable names can start with a letter, an underscore, or a $sign, $. They cannot start with a digit. A is wrong. They cannot be reserved keywords like class. C is wrong. They cannot contain hyphens. D is wrong. What is method overloading in Java? Option A, defining two methods with the same name and same parameters in different classes. Option B, defining two methods with the same name but different parameters in the same class. Option C, changing the body of a method in a subclass. Option D, calling a method from another class. The correct answer is B. Method overloading occurs when a class has multiple methods with the same name but different parameter lists, different types, number of parameters, or both. This is a form of compile-time polymorphism. Option C describes method overriding. Which statement is used to exit from a loop immediately? Option A, continue. Option B, exit. Option C, break. Option D, stop. The correct answer is C. The break statement terminates the loop it is inside of immediately. The continue statement, on the other hand, skips the current iteration and jumps to the next evaluation of the loop condition. What is the value of result? Int a equals 10. Int result equals a++. Option A, 10. Option B, 11. Option C, 9. Option D, error. The correct answer is A. This is a post-increment operation. The current value of A, which is 10, is assigned to result first, and then a is incremented to 11. If it were plus a pre-increment, result would be 11. Which company originally developed Java? Option A, Microsoft. Option B, Sun Microsystems. Option C, Google. Option D, Oracle. The correct answer is B. Java was originally developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s. Oracle Corporation later acquired Sun Microsystems in 2010 and is the current maintainer of Java. What is the default value of a Boolean instance variable? Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, null. Option D, 0. The correct answer is B. In Java, instance variables, fields of a class, are automatically initialized to default values if not explicitly set. The default value for a Boolean is false. For numeric types, it is 0, and for object references, it is null. What is encapsulation in Java? Option A, hiding the internal state and requiring all interaction to be performed through public methods. Option B, the ability of an object to take on many forms. Option C, the process of creating a new class from an existing class. Option D, grouping similar classes into a package. The correct answer is A. Encapsulation is one of the 4 fundamental OOP concepts. It involves wrapping data, variables, and code methods together as a single unit and restricting direct access to some of the object's components by using private modifiers and public getter, setter methods. Which of the following is a checked exception? Option A, null pointer exception. Option B, array index out of bounds exception. Option C, IO exception. Option D, arithmetic exception. The correct answer is C. Checked exceptions are exceptions that are checked at compile time. If a method throws a checked exception, it must either handle it with a try-catch block or declare it in its signature using throws. IO exception is a checked exception. The others listed, null pointer, array index, arithmetic, are runtime exceptions, which are unchecked. What does the static keyword indicate? Option A, the variable's value cannot change. Option B, the member belongs to the class itself rather than individual instances. Option C, the method can only be accessed within the same package. Option D, the class is ready for garbage collection. The correct answer is B. The static keyword means that the field or method belongs to the class template rather than to a specific instance, object, of that class. You can call static methods or access static variables using the class name directly. E.g., math, sqrt. How do you declare and initialize an array of integers in one line? Option A, int arr equals 1, 2, 3. Option B, int arr equals new int 3. Option C, int arr equals 1, 2, 3. Option D, array arr equals 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is C. The correct syntax for array literal initialization is type name equals val1, val2, closing curly bracket, single quote. Option A misses the brackets. Option B uses parentheses incorrectly. And option D uses non-Java syntax. What happens when you use the plus operator with a string and an int, e.g., value, +5? Option A. It causes a compile time error. Option B. It performs addition and then converts to string. Option C. It performs string concatenation, resulting in value 5 inches. Option D. It throws a runtime exception. The correct answer is C. In Java, if one of the operands of the plus operator is a string, the other operand is automatically converted to its string representation, and the two are concatenated. This is a built-in feature of the Java language for convenience. Which keyword is used to call the constructor of the parent class? Option A, this. Option B, parent. Option C, super. Option D, base. The correct answer is C. The super keyword is used to refer to the immediate parent class. When used as super, single quote, it calls the constructor of the parent class. It must be the first statement in the child class's constructor. Which of these is a valid switch expression type in modern Java? Option A, float. Option B, double. Option C, long. Option D, string. The correct answer is D. Historically, switch statements only supported byte, short, char, and int. However, starting from Java 7, strings are supported, long, float, and double are still not supported in standard switch statements due to precision and range complexities. What is the purpose of the JRE? Option A, to write Java code. Option B, to compile Java code. Option C, to provide the environment required to execute Java applications. Option D, to debug Java code. The correct answer is C. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It contains the JVM and the standard libraries needed to run Java programs to write and compile code. You need the JDK, Java Development Kit, which includes the JRE plus tools like Javik. What is the result of true, false? Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, null. Option D, 1. The correct answer is A. The operator is the logical OR operator. It returns true if at least one of the operands is true. Since the first operand is true, the entire expression evaluates to true, and the second part is not even evaluated due to short-circuiting. How do you write a single-line comment in Java? Option A, asterisk comment asterisk. Option B, hash comment. Option C, comment. Option D, comment. The correct answer is C. In Java, is used for single-line comments. Asterisk. Asterisk is used for multi-line comments. Hash is used in languages like Python or Shell, and is used in SQL. That wraps up our 30 practice questions for Java Basics. I hope these explanations helped clarify some of the core concepts of the language. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more certification prep content. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. For a comprehensive set of practice tests and the full exam simulator, Check the link in the description below.